I'm going to explain how the theories learned in class can be applied to the HubSpot and Motion AI case study and their chatbot-enabled customer relationship management. We learned in session 1 that customer relationship management, or CRM, is a strategic approach that is concerned with creating improved shareholder value through the development of appropriate relationships with key customers and customer segments. As explained under the heading Relationship in this slide, it is important that chatbots maintain customers' trust by providing accurate and contextual assistance in a consistent manner. Chatbots should create relationships instead of frustration, thereby contributing to the long-term success and profitability of HubSpot's customer relationship management. Artificial intelligence can be described as a system's ability to interpret big data correctly, to machine learn from such data, and to use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. This is why I've recommended in this slide that AI-enabled chatbots should replace the landing page for HubSpot. These chatbots can sift through large volumes of customer data and process this data more efficiently than humans. Additionally, such marketing actions can increase the value of HubSpot's customer equity. Companies have now evolved from product orientation to relationship orientation, and companies operate in a hyper-competitive environment where relationship marketing is very important. This can be achieved at scale with chatbots, which I have alluded to in this slide also. The service value customer satisfaction link is relevant to how consumer behavior changes when interacting with chatbots. Customers are satisfied when a service exceeds their expectations and are dissatisfied when a service does not meet their expectations. In other words, the quality of the service that the customer perceives is both a function of the magnitude and direction of the gap between expected service and perceived service. As mentioned in this slide, customers tend to have greater expectations for chatbots, and in the case of the uncanny valley example, customers may become very dissatisfied if chatbots fail to either provide suitable assistance or to act human enough. Dissatisfaction has a greater impact on retention than satisfaction, so it is imperative that HubSpot optimizes its strategy in this area. The importance of treating customers differently depending on the value they bring to your company is a dominant feature of customer relationship management. This is clearly the case with B2B versus B2C customers. B2B customers are significantly larger revenue drivers, which I have mentioned in this slide here. Customer lifetime value is the value that customers bring by purchasing products from the firm, and can be measured using metrics such as size of wallet and share of wallet, which we learned about in lectures. It is important to note here that it is advisable to target the share of wallet rather than the size of wallet. This is because targeting the size of wallet will not only improve conditions for HubSpot, but will also improve conditions for HubSpot's competitors. In general, B2B customers have a greater customer lifetime value than B2C customers. And this is why I have recommended in this slide that HubSpot provides a highly trained salesperson to manage B2B customers in cases where an issue becomes very complex or requires a degree of empathy and compassion that only a human salesperson can provide. HubSpot should focus on optimizing its strategic customer relationship management at the organizational level. Strategic customer relationship management is a complex set of activities that recognize differences between customers and the value to the firm. Strategic CRM also shapes the interactions between company and customer in order to maximize customer lifetime value. This is why I've recommended in this slide that HubSpot should utilize a chatbot that not only speaks in the voice of the brand, but adjusts its relational style based on customer cues where necessary. This will result in building a strong connection between company and customer, and if HubSpot implements it correctly, it can place itself at a competitive advantage to other firms in the same industry.